everyone, looking at this picture can help smiling. Animals really have this magical power. Just looking at them can make us feel happy. Don't you feel interacting with animals can make us feel a little less stressed and a lot more relaxed? Actually, this isn't just an illusion. Interacting with animals can make us feel secure and more happier. But did you know animals can do more than just make us happy? They can help us recover physically and treat certain conditions. And this is the topic I want to talk about today. Animal-assisted therapy. First, I'll talk about what is AAT. And after that, let's discover how it works. And then after that, let's see it's important to know how animals become animal-assisted therapists. And then finally, let's see an special event of AAT. Let's start with the first part. AAT refers to the use of animals to the therapeutic medium. Although it existed in some form before then, it popularized in 1860. The famous nurse Florence Nightingale noticed that the patients with chronic illnesses like diabetes and heart disease feel better when an animal partner was around them. And to now, the pet therapy can be seen everywhere. Basically, they are people. There are all kinds of variations, but two especially common. In one type of the program, the handler will take an animal to the outside location for people to interact. The other kind of program is more structured. The therapists offer activities for the patients, and the treatment process include everything from playing with a cat to caring for a horse. And the different treatment depending on the patients. After that, let's see how AAT works. Multiple studies have shown that pet therapy have positive and measurable. Let's take cat as an example. Study shows that spending time with cats can improve people's mood and reduce the feelings of loneliness, especially for children and elders in long-term care. In fact, appearing of the happy cat can reduce people's stress. And a study shown that people who receive cat therapy 3 times a week have improvement in depressive and had a significant drop in blood pressure. And common animals you can see in AAT include dogs, cats, guinea pigs, and horses. Different animals provide different treatment plans. Take equine assisted as an example. During the therapy, the patients can learn how to care for and communicate with the horses. and every process is simple, such as cleaning, feeding, touching, and walking. The patients may be able to express their moods and emotions more easily while they are interact with animals. After that, let's talk about how animals become therapists. First, they should be friendly, especially to strangers. They need to be calm and positive when they are interact with different people. And health is also important. While their appearance should make people feel safe and willing to interact. While animals meet these requirements, they can be therapy companions. And it's not just because they are super outgoing and always excited to see you either, like dogs typically are. Therefore, there are many kinds of animals can be therapy animals, you name it. Even the farm full of cows and goats can be helpful. So the effects are not just because they are soft or fluffy. The study has shown that fish, bearded dragon, cricket can increase the patient's focus and positive emotions. And let's take dolphin as an example. You may not think it can be therapy animal, but actually it can. Let's watch a video. And finally, let's talk about the last part, a special event of AAT, an education outreach visit. It is an offer of an organization called NOAA's ART. It provides students sessions like mental well-being to improve students' mental well-being and relaxation. And it provides chances for students to distress and spend time with therapy animals. These 6-week classes have included the topics like animal welfare and mental health awareness. And it offers for staff a dog, a pair of rabbits, 2 to 3 guinea pigs, mice or rats. What's more, it also provides sessions for students to learn how to get into the careers, working with animals, and what skills and qualities they will need. And finally, they included the explanation of how it works and the Q&A sessions with their therapist. I'm agree with this kind of therapy, and I believe that many other kinds of animals can play an important role in this area. As long as we interact with them in ways that make them feel comfortable, they will understand what happened and engage with us. I think capybaras can be an effective animals too. They are gentle and social while and easily connect with others. They can lower stress and anxiety while people just being around them. And what kind of animals you think can be good therapy animals. After all, if you were sick, stressed, or just trying to process life, pet therapy will be there for you. That's all about my presentation. Thank you.